Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and roll onto our back here. Go ahead and have your legs straight up here. We're gonna place that block here in between your feet, and we are just going to crunch up and up. So we have 1 minute of this here where we are just crunching up and up. So you have to kind of squeeze your legs here. So this works our abs as well as our legs, because you have to squeeze to keep that yoke block there. And if you don't want to have that block in between your feet here, you can always place it here in between your calves or even your thighs here. Whatever works best for y'all. So keep crunching up. It's a great day to be working outdoors here. Out here in a nice sunny day, working out with y'all. And if you have to bend your knees a little, that is okay, whatever works best for y'all. And of course, with our legs up, this helps our circulation. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next up, we are going to be doing halfway leg drops. So place those hands underneath your tailbone here. Bring your legs back up. And if you have to readjust, go ahead. And we're just going to drop halfway and back up. So bring it halfway and halfway down and up. So for some of you, you may just be going just a little bit here, and that's okay. Just as long as you have some kind of movement here, that is what we are aiming for here. This is our second move, so we are almost done. After this, just one more. Push through, I believe in y'all. This also works your hip flexors as well, which is great. For those of you who do a lot of sitting, I know some of us, we work and we sit down at work, or we're in school and we sit down for school a lot, or we just like to sit down and watch TV or be on the computer or on our phones. So it's important to work and tone your hip flexors. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, our last move here, we're going to be doing full double leg drops. So if you have to readjust that block, go ahead. And let's get started for our last minute here. Let's bring it down and back up. So for that block in between your thighs, or you can even readjust and place it in between your calves here as well. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!